gonna make it to the top. No one's gonna stop me, cause I'm gonna make it. Even if you say I ain't, I'm gonna do it, cause I don't give a shit what you say anymore. This is Crazy Blue, this is who I am, this is what I'm gonna do. Even if you don't like it, I'm gonna make it through, gonna get through everything through life. Even if I have a hard time, I know right now I may not be the very smart one at the moment, but I'm gonna keep going, cause I know what I'm doing and I know how I'm gonna do it no matter what. Right now in my life going so crazy, I don't even know what's in it anymore. Everybody wants this and everybody wants that, and it's just like where we stand right now, trying to make it through, trying to get it through, trying to get everything situated on my level. Everybody wants it, cause I can't handle no more anymore, and I just wanna stop, but I know I got to keep going to that top no matter what anyone says. I'm gonna keep it going, gonna keep going. It don't matter what you say, cause I'm gonna keep going no matter on how many times you say I won't make it or succeed on every level. I'm gonna keep it going, gonna get higher, gonna be like the number one on top, gonna keep going till I can't stop no more. It won't be succeed, but I will get to that top. Yes, every time I think about it, I know I'm gonna make it, and I keep going. All I want is to be the best, and that's where I'm gonna try no matter what. No matter what anyone says, I'm gonna keep going, and it's gonna keep flowing right out. And I'm gonna keep posting, getting more promotions on every level. Say what you want, cause I'm gonna keep going. If you don't even care, then I don't even know anymore what you say when you say it how you say it, cause I don't really care anyway. So get off it. If you don't like me, then it's okay, cause that's what you need. You gotta have fans and you gotta have haters, cause you know that in fact you really made it. That's what I know, and that's what I wanna be.